Kitchen organizers are those clever helpers that will keep your kitchen tidy and everything in place. From cutlery tray to pull down shelf, we are gonna discuss everything in this video. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. If you enjoy watching, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Now without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Kitchen organizers keep your cooking adventure running smoothly with their help. You can spend less time searching things and more time doing what you love, which is creating delicious meals and memories in your kitchen. Best part about this organizer is they come in all shapes and sizes to fit any space and your needs. Whether you have tiny or spacious kitchen, there are organizers for everything. So first one is cutlery tray. It's small but essential addition to any kitchen drawer that brings organization. Imagine opening a kitchen drawer and seeing perfectly arranged forks, knives and spatulas. Each finding is designated compartment of the cutlery tray. No more going through messy drawers. With its straightforward design and effortless functionality, it's a small investment that will make a big difference in your kitchen. No more struggling to keep your drawers tidy. For me, cutlery tray is definitely the must-have accessory that will elevate your cooking experience and will keep your drawer organized. Second is kitchen corner solutions. Corners are the place where pots, pans or pantry items just seem to vanish. I mean, we have to do so much struggle finding things in the dark corner. But fear not, there are many solutions that will definitely make your life easy. First is Magic Corner. With its clever mechanism, the Magic Corner smoothly glides out, revealing a hidden treasure tucked away in the depth of your cabinet. It's like unlocking a secret chamber filled with all your pots, pans or pantry items. Second is L-shaped shelves. They help you maximize the storage space without sacrificing accessibility, and best part about them is they are pocket friendly too. Third is Carousel Unit. It's a rotating shelf that brings everything within an easy reach. Just spin it gently and you can access every inch. Fourth is S-shaped corner. S-shaped corner swings out easily and maximizes your storage space while ensuring easy access. Third is dish rack drainer. Imagine you just finished washing your dishes and now it's time to dry them. Here where the dish rack drainer comes into the picture. You can install it in the upper cabinet above your sink. It will provide designated spot for your freshly washed dishes to air dry them. Now you might have a question, why about the sink only? Because it will be convenient for you to wash and keep them directly in the rack. And best part about this rack is it will keep your countertop clutter free. And who doesn't want their counter to be clutter free? Next is sliding countertop. If you are someone who struggles with small counter space, then imagine having a flexibility to expand your countertop whenever you need extra space. Sliding countertop maximizes your efficiency without sacrificing style. When not in use, you can easily tuck away without compromising on aesthetic. Best part about it is it seamlessly blends in any form and function, offering a practical solution for all sizes of kitchen. This dynamic feature adapts to your needs, providing ample workspace whenever you need. Fifth is rolling shutter. It's a sleek, space-saving solution that tucks away your beloved gadgets effortlessly, leaving your countertop clutter-free. With its smooth rolling mechanism, it effortlessly hides all of your gadgets like blender, mixer, coffee machine. It takes advantage of vertical space, making most of every inch available. No more struggling to find a spot to store them. In this rolling shutter, everything is neatly organized and easily accessible, saving you a lot of your time. Sixth is multifunctional sink. This sink does more than just to wash your dishes, from food preparation to cleanup and beyond. Let's start with food prep. Need to wash and chop your veggies? No problem, you can easily do this with ease. Then after cooking, it's time to tackle the dirty dishes. With its expandable faucet, you can easily clean dishes and also every corner of the dirty sink. Adding this sink in your kitchen will definitely make your life little bit easier. Seventh is pull down shelf. It's a game changer for those hard to reach spaces, making every item easily accessible without the need of step stool. With its control lift mechanism, the pull down shelf reduces resistance, ensuring smooth and effortless accessibility every time you use. It makes very easy for you to see and use every item stored, even for the items that are stored back in that shelf. So alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. These were 7 kitchen organizers that you should definitely consider adding in your kitchen. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And don't forget to tell me down below in comment which one of these you are thinking of adding in your kitchen. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos, and I'll see you in next one. Bye.